Step-by-step guide on how you can order checks on the Chase app. You want to open up the Chase app on your smartphone and log in with your username and password, or use the biometric authentication. Then you have to go into Account Overview. Once you have been logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab, which will display a list of your Chase accounts, checking, savings, and credit cards. You want to select your checking account. Tap on the checking account for which you want to order checks. Then the fourth step will be accessing the check ordering options. You want to scroll down to find Order Checks, or look for an option under the More Options or Account Services section. Some versions of the app may have a Manage or Services menu where you will see Order Checks as a clickable link. You want to select the check design and quantity. The app will redirect you to Chase's check ordering service, or a third-party service that handles check printing for Chase. You can choose the style or design of your checks and select the quantity you want to order. Verify and confirm. You will review your information to ensure the address and check details are correct. Confirm the order and note the estimated delivery time. The cost of the checks will either be deducted from your checkings account, or you may receive a bill. Receive confirmation. After placing the order, you will receive an order confirmation in the app or via email with details about your order. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.